Hey, how's it going? Yep, I'm making a new YouTube video. I used to upload on this on a fairly regular basis, but I stopped because I wasn't really feeling it. I didn't really have a good camera, so I finally bought a good camera. For those that are unaware, I used to upload focus on anime and drink videos, but I think trying to limit myself really just made me feel like I couldn't actually make stuff I wanted to. So I'm going to give this another shot, and I'm just going to upload whatever. And I think it's a good time for it. Summer's right around the corner, so I'm going to upload probably just some adventures around the summertime. I'm still going to make some drink videos, maybe even some just random stuff like tier lists, really just whatever I feel like. And so yeah, that's what we're going to do today. I'm at a nature trail near where I live. I'm just going to walk up and down the nature trail. I like coming out here for a walk. A lot of birds and running water. It's very peaceful. Yeah, let's go on this adventure together. There used to be a picnic table here. I'm not sure when they removed it, but probably about a year or two ago. Used to be a fun spot to hang out, but maybe they'll bring it back one day. I'm getting eaten alive by mosquitoes. Alright, so we're basically at the end of the trail. If you cross the road a little over there, it keeps going. But this is really just to test out the camera. So that's basically the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed watching if you actually watched it. There'll be more content soon, but this was just to test it out, so I hope you enjoyed the nature walk. I'll see you again soon.